Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, if you remember, as part of the previous session, we handled a drop-down which it does has a selector tag. Now, let us see a simple example which it doesn't have a selector tag. See, I'm just on this particular get bootstrap reference example, wherein which the drop-down button is there. When you perform a right-click and inspect operation on this, basically it is having a button, but you do have an option to select the values from the drop down, and all the values are as part of a UL and a LI tags. Okay, whenever you have an options as part of a UI and a LL tags, basically LI tags, the simplest way that you can deal with these drop downs is just by performing a click operation on that. Okay, you can use a simple click operation in performing that particular drop downs. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is whatever the test that we have right now, let me copy this particular test and then let me paste the test here, and I'm deleting all unnecessary commands from this, and I'm just copying this bootstrap drop down, and I'm updating this particular URL. Okay, I'm just updating my URL here in this codes. Okay, let me update my URL here. So this is the URL that I have updated. And on top of this particular one, you just need to perform a click operation on this dropdown. When you perform an inspect operation, it does has a class. So button open braces at the rate class is equal to. There are multiple elements are there with this, hence I am surrounding with an index as a one. So here await page dot locator, and I am asking it to perform a click operation using this particular locator. Perfectly all right. Just a click, guys. That's it. So here, I need to change this particular class name to the double quotes. That's it. I have just specified that. And whichever the option that you want to select it, you just want to go ahead and you just want to handle the options. So here, right click inspect this action. This is the customized XPath, and there were about 31 elements are there, in which I'm considering my first element. Okay, I'm considering my first element. Perfect. So let's come back here. Let us update this particular XPath. So I am asking my locator, I am asking my playwright to identify an element with this particular locator and perform a click operation on that. So here I'm changing my script to example drop down to dot a spec file. That's it. Let it execute and let us see whether it is trying to select this particular operation or not. Manually, I'm scrolling down to see this behavior. So press step over, see that got a identified that, and then it performed that particular operation, and then it clicked on that particular operation. So this is the way how exactly you can deal with it. So if there is a selector class, then directly you can use a select option. Other than the selector classes, whichever the drop downs are there, you can simply use this particular option, which is performing these simple clicks operations itself. Okay, perfectly all right. So this is all about how we are handling the drop downs. In the next session, we will be looking at the further concept. Thank you. Bye bye.